Open the terminator. Okay, sudo su tool. Okay, now type arrow ng. Okay, then interface name lan0 mon. Okay, check interface name. iwconfig. Okay, see. Okay, mode monitor and eth0 lan0 mon. Okay, okay, enter. Okay, here only show work. Okay, and this name Fazul Islam Riaz. Okay, okay, suppose this is my target network. Okay, I want to only analyze this network. Okay, for this okay, first go to root mode. Okay, sudo su tool. Okay, now type arrow ng. Okay, then use 2-bssid or you can use -d. Okay, okay, this MAC address. Okay, copy this and paste here. Okay, then channel you can use -c or 2-cha -nel channel. Okay, okay, channel 3. Okay, then interface name lan0 mon. Okay, see. Okay, this time only analyzes this network. Okay, okay, this time connected only one device. Okay, this device. Okay, okay, if you want to analyze this data you can do this. Okay, 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 that's for first go to root mode. Okay, sudo su tool. Okay, okay, I want to analyze the whole network, but here have only one network. If have more network, then automatically all network will be analyzed. Okay, that's for we need to collect data. Okay, ng. Okay, now we want to collect data. Okay, that's for we need to type write. Okay, okay, write. Okay, then need to a file where your data input there. Okay, okay, file name suppose data. Okay, then interface name. Okay, enter. Okay, okay, now check list. See, here has create 1 2 3 4 5 file. Okay, 5 document. Okay, data name, because here we use data. Okay, see, created capture file data 1.cap. okay, that means this file. Okay, okay, here use Ctrl C. Okay, now we need to analyze this data. For this we need to open a software. Okay, here type Wireshark. Okay, now go to file and open. Okay, see, data 1.cap. okay, open this file. Okay, see, okay, here has 86. okay, time, source, detection, protocol length, information. Okay, here you can see so many data. You can also analyze every data here.